Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to make Teachers Day video with picture on your mobile phone. Yes, in this auspicious occasion we can create a video and we can impress our teachers. So with your wishes, with your status, as well as you can make your teacher's photo as a video and you can present to them. So how to make? Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my mobile I just installed the application called Canva. So Canva is a beautiful application. You can create a different kind of photos, videos, everything. So just go to Play Store and install Canva application. You can create a easy graphics, everything. So I have installed Canva application. So this is a Canva application. Just to open the Canva application, so this is a basic thing. Using your Google account, free Google account, you can open with Canva. Yes, so this is a home page of Canva. You want to make a video, so you want to present to your teacher. So there are for you social media presentation, prints and video. So now I'm going to tell you how to create a video. So just select a video option. There will be a lot of free options will be given here. So you can choose the Instagram post, poster, and lot of things will be there. So just select here videos. So once you select a video, there will be a video template will be open here. So the blank template, video template, everything will be open here. You can create to present to your teacher. For example, I just want to choose some other application, some other template which I need to create for my teacher. For example, I just want to choose this one. So most properly it is everything will be in free. So this is a video template. So I want to make this video into my teacher's presentation. So how it is possible? All that now I just double click on that. Automatically you can change Happy Teachers Day. So just type Teachers Day, so enter and day. So your teacher name, just give your teacher name. For example, I just want Dear Joseph Sir. So I just give my teacher name and I want to insert his photograph here so that it will be look like a beautiful modern texture. I just select here. There will be an option called plus button. So just click the plus button. You can upload the picture. The default picture will be here, so you can choose. Otherwise you can just upload the picture, your picture. For example, your teacher picture means just upload the picture. So upload media, there will be upload media. So you can choose the media from the file. Wherever file is there, you can choose the file. For example, I just want to choose my teacher photo. So I just select my teacher photo. Once I select my teacher's photo, so I just drag and drop, means automatically my teacher photo will be applied over here. So with a photo, everything will be added over here. I just want to play the music. So just click here to play. So with a beautiful moment, it is create with happiness. So you can create multiple photographs to the multiple teachers. For example, your class has a different kind of teachers. The 5 subject teachers means you can add more pictures here. So just click to add the page. So you can add some videos and do everything will be added over here. So just click here. There will be a templates option. So you can choose a template, whatever template you want. I just select the template model. So this template, I want to change the picture of my another teacher. Just click here the plus button. So upload the picture. I just want to add same picture or any other picture. I just want to add the picture. So once I select the picture, means automatically that picture will be added over here. So I can place it over anywhere else. I just want to add some picture over here. So my teacher's picture will be added over here. Yes, so as you see, so and you can give the names so that it will be make like a photo collage works. So it will be useful for you. You can your teacher can able to see. So what is the major importance? So there are the best option to create and give to your teacher. For example, you want to upload this one. For example, you want to save this one. On top you will find option called export. So once you click export, save as a file and email and order print, everything will be available. Just select save as a PDF file and save as a MP4 format. Just click a download, means automatically your video will be prepared and it will be delivered in your mobile phone itself. Using your mobile phone, your teacher photograph, you can create beautiful video using Canva application, and you can share with your teacher. Your teacher may get impressed and they will get some ideas. So if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowX channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.